In order to get the iPhone ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S25, we need to download an app that allows us to get the ringtone from iPhone. So for example, we can search for iPhone ringtone, and I'm gonna use this app as an example. I'm gonna install this one. I've used it before, so I kinda know how it looks like, and it is free to use. Of course, it might have some ads. We don't have to allow notifications. And let's say we're gonna go to iPhone 14. Over here we have different list of ringtones. We can press this play button on the left side in order to hear how they sound like. And if you play a ringtone and you like it, you can tap on it, and then you can, for example, set as a ringtone, then choose set as a color ringtone. We need to allow permission to change system settings for the app. Go back and tap again just to be sure. And then we can go to the system settings, or actually sound settings, in order to check if it's actually switched. And there we go. As you can see, ringtone is a huge number. This is the custom ringtone. And just to prove it, I'm gonna actually call myself as well. And let's take a look. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.